Hello everyone, my name is Nina and welcome to the Fanart ABCs, in which I draw a character for each letter of the ABCs. Starting with Akko Kagari from Little Witch Academia. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna talk about Akko and Little Witch Academia, and I'm also gonna talk a little bit about the piece. So if you're interested in that, then keep watching. If you're not, you feel free to mute the video and put on your own music. But yeah, so um, yeah, Akko. God, I love her. I love her. So I got into Little Witch Academia very recently. Um, cause I wasn't really watching anime. I really just stopped watching anime for a while, and I'm gonna get more into that a little bit later on. But I watched Little Witch Academia, and I fell in love. And I watched it on Netflix, and I watched all there is on Netflix, so the 13 episodes and the little extra. But I haven't watched anything else. I'm waiting until Netflix decides to release the rest of the episodes. I have been suffering, but I'll endure because I don't want to watch it through non-legal manners. Nothing, not that I'm against it if you do, just I don't want to do it. So yeah, but I really like Little Witch Academia because of Akko, because I think she's such a great protagonist, such a refreshing protagonist, you know? Like, it's so nice to see a character, a protagonist that doesn't succeed at everything they try, you know? That isn't. Oh, okay. Spoilers ahead. I am so sorry. But yeah, if you haven't watched Little Witch Academia, please do not listen to me talking. Go watch the show for yourself because it's really good and you will love it. I promise. There's nothing not to like about it. So go watch it. But yeah, continuing what I was saying. Um, she's a really good protagonist because she not only does she not succeed at everything she does, she tries. She's also like really bad at something she really wants to do, and I think that makes it a lot easier for the viewer to connect to her. Um, because we as people a lot of the times we're gonna have interests in things we're not very good at. I wasn't very good at art when I started, but just like Akko kept trying, I kept trying to draw, and so it's really easy to relate to a character like her, and so that's why I think she's a great character, and very refreshing to see a character like that. And because usually, especially with anime, but in most types of media, when a protagonist wants to do something, they will try for a bit and then they will succeed. But Akko tries really hard and she doesn't succeed, but she doesn't let that stop her. She keeps trying, and that's lovely, and I love her. And I want to talk about her design because I think it's really cute. How she has her hair. Her bangs are only on one side of her forehead. I think that's just really cute, and it makes for a really interesting character design. Um, yeah, so that's mostly what I had to say about Akko. I have some things to say about Little Witch Academia. Mostly that I love that it's a show about like girls being best friends, and like it's about, you know, girl love, girl friendship, and there's no like boys they're fighting over, and they're not competing over anything, you know, they just love each other, and they're helping each other, and it's beautiful. I mean, except Diana, Akko and Diana, Akko is kind of competing with Diana, so that's kind of the thing. So, um, we're almost done, but I'm gonna talk a little bit about the drawing. Um, the two things that actually, the one thing I want to talk about is how I made her look younger. Um, cause I get the impression from the show, from how she and her classmates are drawn, that and how their behavior is, that she's like in her early teens. So I wanted to make her look younger. So I made her face a lot more round than I usually make my faces. And I also made her a little bit cross-eyed, cause you know, if you draw your character a little bit cross-eyed, but don't make it like too obnoxious, it just makes them look like really cute. And another thing, I just added a little bit of blur to her joints, that to her face, her cheeks and nose, and her joints, or the ones that were showing, which was her knee, just to give her skin a little bit of life. And yeah, so now we're coming to an ending, and I just yeah, so thank you. I just want to say thank you for watching, and thank you for listening if you didn't mute me. And there will be more. Feel free to suggest characters for the other letters of the alphabet if you feel inclined to do so. I might use your suggestion. Um, yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!